Allergic rhinitis is very common in today's scenario. So there are very few do's and don'ts which has to be followed in case of allergic rhinitis. The most important being that it's always better that you always wear mask. That's the most important and easily preventable thing which can be done in case of allergic rhinitis. Second is should not expose yourself to dust, pollens, or any kind of pollutants, or wherever there is any construction work, or if there is any lot of pollution which is going on. In such cases, if you avoid yourself exposing to such conditions, there is always a good chance that you can avoid yourself to the allergens. Most of the times, allergic rhinitis or the allergy in general can be either due to aeroallergens or food allergens. If it's aeroallergens, you can wear mask and prevent yourself from exposing yourself to the aeroallergens. Whereas if there is a known thing of food allergen, then you can avoid yourself getting exposed to the food allergens by avoiding such kind of foods. Last but not the least, the most gold standard test acknowledged worldwide to know about the allergy is allergy test or the skin prick test. By doing the skin prick test, we can find out what kind of allergy or what kind of allergen is the one which is causing you the allergy, and we can give immunotherapy and help you treat with your allergic condition. Thank you.